Welcome back to the garage here at Basin Motorsports. I'm Kanan, and today I'm going to show you 2 ways to fix a flat tire. Well, the unfortunate has happened and you have picked up a screw or a nail or something to puncture your tire. So the first question is, where are you at and can you get the wheel and tire off the car? If you can do that and you can take the tire off of the wheel, such as a tire shock to do this, you can actually fix this from the inside with a patch. Okay, so I threw on some work gloves, grabbed my paint pen, and with the wheel dismounted from the tire, I can just quickly mark where the screw or nail has come through and punctured the tire. This gives me an idea to know exactly where my work area is going to be. So the next piece is going to be, I want to remove the debris because I've already marked the inside of the tire, so I know exactly where this came out of. And then I'm going to grab my patch kit, which is made for inflatable rubber objects. So the next piece is going to be, there's a scrubber in the kit, and the scrubber is meant to actually roughen the surface of the tire. So as you can see, I've used a scrubber to basically roughen the tire so that the glue and patch have a great place to adhere to. So next we're going to apply some rubber cement. You can just use your finger or another tool to kind of smooth it out. Make sure it's evenly distributed around your area. And then we're going to apply the patch. There's a foil backing to remove. Apply the patch over the area we need. Now the goal of this is to make sure that we squeeze out all of the rubber cement that's not going to be used. Give it a good wet out. At that point, you can just clean out any extra material, remove the plastic liner on the back, and then just make sure it's nice and secure down. This will seal it from the inside, which is a great repair. Take out your rubber cement, put your wheel and tire back together, and you are good to go on the road. So what happens if you're on the side of the road and you have no ability to get to a tire shop to have the wheel taken off the tire? Well, in that case, we're going to work from the outside of the tire. And first I need to mark where my screw is or my nail or whatever's puncturing my tire. Take it out so I know where I'm going to work, and then I'm going to use a plug kit versus a patch kit. Alright, in the kit there's going to come a reamer tool. As you can see, it's got a nice spiral. The goal is just to put it down in there. And I want to work it so that I get this hole nice and reamed out so that I can insert a plug in it. You can do this multiple times just to make sure you have the hole ready for a plug. The kit's going to come with multiple plugs. There's some long, some short, and an application tool. I'm just going to go ahead and use one of these short ones to make it easy. Next, I'm going to put the plug into the hole on the application tool, and then they're going to apply rubber cement across the plug. Now to put this in, all I need to do is just put it in the hole. I'm going to insert the plug till approximately 2/3 is inside the tire, 1/3 will be out. At that point, I'm going to pull it directly out of the application tool, leaving the plug, and I want to make sure I do not twist as I pull this out. With a quick tug, it comes right out, and I leave the plug behind. Now at this point, I want to use a sharp object such as a razor blade, and I want to cut off the plug right at the surface of the tire. So any material left over, if you can't get it all the way off, just know that this will be worn off with the tire running on the ground. Once you have this cut off, you can refill the tire with air. If you have soap and water available, you can spray the area, just make sure it's not bubbling out. Otherwise, if you're on the side of the road and this is an emergency, you may need to just get in and drive and get to a tire center to get this fixed 100%. Now a couple things to note is that you always want to do either a plug or a patch only on the tread section of the tire. Don't do it on the sidewall or near the bead where the wheel and tire meet. And just remember, a plug or a patch is not a permanent fix. Always take it to a professional shop, have them inspect the repair, and if needed, replace the tire rather than just drive around on an emergency fix. So that's the 2 ways to do it: a patch from the inside or a plug from the outside. Either way, this is how you fix a flat tire in an emergency. Now if you like these DIY how-tos, be sure to subscribe to way.com here on YouTube. Check us out on Instagram at way.com_ and on TikTok at way.com. You can also download the Way app to help find the cheapest parking in any area, car washes, car insurance, and more things to come. We'll see you next time.